HyDE, Hypothetical Document Embeddings, is a clever trick that makes RAG search far more accurate. In this video, the problem it fixes, how it works step by step, standard RAG versus HyDE, the tools and when to use it. Here's the problem with normal retrieval. Your user asks a short question, but the real answer lives inside a long, detailed document. The question and the answer are worded very differently, so embedding the raw question often misses the best passages. HyDE flips the script. Instead of searching with the question, you first ask a language model to write a fake, hypothetical answer. You don't care if it's factually perfect. You just want something that looks like the real document. Let's see standard RAG. The question is embedded into a vector, that vector searches your database, and the top chunks are passed to the model. Simple, but the question and the documents live in very different language spaces. Now HyDE. The question goes to a language model, which drafts a hypothetical answer. That answer, not the question, is embedded and used to search. Because it reads like a real document, it matches real documents far better. So the key difference is simple. Standard RAG embeds the question. HyDE embeds a generated answer. You're comparing document to document instead of question to document, and similarity search loves that. Why does this help? The hypothetical answer is richer. It carries the vocabulary, entities, and phrasing the real document uses. That closes the gap between short questions and detailed text, and it lifts recall, especially with no training data. Where does HyDE shine? Domains full of jargon, like legal, medical, or finance. Short or vague user queries. Cross-domain search. And brand new collections where you have no labeled data to fine-tune an embedding model. Side by side, standard RAG is one step and fast, but weaker on tricky queries. HyDE adds one extra language model call, a little more latency and cost, in exchange for noticeably better retrieval quality. Building it is easy. LangChain and Llama Index both ship HyDE out of the box. Or do it by hand, prompt the model for a hypothetical answer, embed that answer, then search your vector store. Just a few lines of code. Use HyDE when retrieval quality matters more than a few hundred milliseconds. Skip it for simple, latency-critical apps. Try it on your hardest queries, and follow for more simple AI explainers.